the surrounding. This hotel is 2 p.m. The check-out time of this resort is 11 a.m. Rooms are offers available online for this hotel along with different plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book the details are being provided in the description below. Any problem you have in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. For details about this resort, please below to link in description. Stay in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends,